Welcome back to our channel Safu's Creation. Today we are going to make this beautiful long antique jhumka. So let's see the materials required. Jhumka base, beads, earring hooks, gunguru. Choose the color of the beads as the same color as the gunguru. I chose red color. With all the materials said, let's get started. First we are going to attach the gunguru to the jhumka base using jump rings. In a jump ring, add 8 to 9 gungurus. Add the same amount of gungurus in every jump ring. That's very important. Use the flat nose plier to close the jump ring. After we add all the jump rings, the jhumka part is ready. Now let's work on the upper hanging part. I will be using these red crystals. We will also be needing eye pins. Open your first eye pin and put the jhumka in. And then close it using a flat nose plier. After that, put a bead into the eye pin. Make loop using round nose plier. Before closing the loop, put the next eye pin. And then close it tightly. This is how it looks so far. Put in the next bead and repeat the process. Add your eye pins according to how long you want your earrings to be. I added 3 beads. The last time you are going to close your loop, add your hook. And our beautiful jhumka is ready. Don't they look gorgeous? Comment down below your thought on this jhumka. Remember to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. If you prefer studs over hooks, you can always change them. Turn on the post notification so you will be notified when I post a new video. Till then, bye bye.